Carmela's.
You set it on Cody's hood.
Oh no.
Put it in Fuck that. Brian's car?
All the homies' pads.
Like Brian's car, watch when Brian sees it. I actually like that car better than mine. I think the color scheme is better.
I'm going, I'm coming.
No, I know. My old car, you never so you gotta defend it? No, I don't know. Your old car was cool. I love it.
Alright, let's chill like right here in the corner.
Let's do this. Right here in the corner?
Yes.
You can record it?
Exactly. Oh, you're gonna light it? Alright, set it, we should set it down and then light it.
Yeah, come on, David. Before it like sparks on my stupid.
Just back up.
C4.
It's just pretty. It's not really loud, I don't think.
Call me cheesy. Too late, man. Too late. Too late. Oh, what the fuck? Hello. Oh, I called you on accident. Whoops. My bad.
Good, right?
Too good. Not even go, bitch.
Don't go too close.
Oh, man.